We're going to be looking at 4.1 multiplying fractions. Now in class yesterday we talked about the pictorial representation and then just how we multiply across, but I realized in the homework we didn't cover method 2, but we'll go over method 1 one more time. So you simply multiply across. So 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 9 is 36. But now I have to simplify. Now some of you can just see, because you know your multiplication facts, what is the greatest common number that can go into 24 and can also go into 36. For those that can't, I sent a video on how to do this, but here is the method. This is called division ladder. So I know for sure, since these are even numbers, that 2 can go into both of these. And I know, and this is where, if you would like, I'd let you use a calculator. 2 can go into 24 12 times, and 2 can go into 36 18 times. Well, I know a number can go into both of these, so I'm going to just do 2 again since I know that they're even. 2 can go into 12 6 times, 2 can go into 18 9 times. Well, now I know that 2 can't go into both of these, but I do know that 3 can go into both of them, so I'm going to do 3. 3 can go into 6 2 times, and 3 can go into 9 3 times. Nothing else can go into both of these numbers, so now that gives me my answer. I simplified actually 24 36 into 2/3, so that's my answer. So that would be method 1, just simply multiplying across and then simplifying that big number. Now method 2 is, instead of multiplying across, we first simplify. And the way we do that, kind of like the butterfly method, is we're going to see what is the greatest number that can go into both 3 and 9. Well, I know that 3 can go into itself. It's the only one. So I'm going to divide that by 3, which equals 1. Well, whatever I do here, I have to do here, because that's the common multiple. So 3 can go into 9 3 times. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this side. Well, 4 can go into 4 once, and 4 can get divided into 8 twice. So now I rewrite these fractions. So now I have 1 over 1 times 2 over 3, which just now I multiply across and I get 2/3. So if you go back, it's the exact same problem, but here I got a big number and had to do all this step to simplify. This one I just simplified before I multiplied. So let's try one more, and this one is number 8 in your homework, so I'm helping you out here, because there was all these like boxes and steps, and you're going to see that all they're doing is just simplifying, and they're just rewriting it. So that was the problem. Now I'm going to go ahead and cross here, and I know that 2 can go into itself and 2 can go into 10. So that's going to be my greatest common multiple. So 2 goes into 2 once, so this is going to be 1. And then 2 can go into 10 5 times. Now I do this side and I realize, well, there is no greater common factor that can go both 5 and 7. That's okay. So I'm not going to divide anything into those numbers, and I'm just going to rewrite my fraction now. So this is 1 over 5, and this is 7 over 5. Now I simply have to multiply across, because I've already simplified as much as I can. So I have 7, and then 5 times 5 is 25, and that's my answer. So that's how you do section 4.1. Hope it helps. Have a good day.